Hey guys, it's Kay. I hope you're all well. Now, this is just a quick video to keep you guys updated. Now, if you didn't know already, there's been a recent software update to your Amazon Firestick TV. And there's been some great features added. Features that are going to help you streamline your viewing experience. So in this video, I'm going to take a look at what's new. And if you haven't had the update, just go through with you on how to get the update. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, reviews and unboxings, I do everything including Firestick, Raspberry Pi and Android TV tips and tricks. So subscribe and hit the notification button. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is see if we've got an update. So I'm going to go to the settings cog and then scroll down to My Fire TV and then scroll down to About. So you can see we're on Fire TV home version 635.0077.1. Scroll down to install updates, and as you can see I've got an update waiting. So I'm going to click on install update and we'll wait till it finishes. Okay, we're up to date and I'm going to check once more. Okay, so it's downloading and it's updating. So we'll come back to it once it's done. So let's just have a quick look at what it's like to manage your apps currently before the update. So click on applications and then scroll down to manage installed applications, and here you can see we've got all our apps, and we just scroll down and see all the information about the apps. We can't actually do anything to the apps from this level here. We need to go into the next level, which you do by selecting the app, and then you get the following options. And importantly, you can clear the cache of the app and you can uninstall the app. So you can see there's quite a few menus you have to go through, and it can be quite difficult to find if you're a newbie. Okay, I think the update is done. Let's go back. Let's check what version we're on now. So click on cog, settings, go down to My Fire TV, click on About, and as you can see what has changed here is the Fire TV home version. We have now gone to 637.0051.1. So what's changed? Well, let's take a look. If we go back up one menu, go back again, and then go to applications, scroll down to manage installed apps, and then scroll down to your apps. And what you'll see is on the side there, on the right, you'll see press fast rewind to clear cache. Now this wasn't here before. Before you had to manually go into the app and clear it. Whereas now you can do it from this top screen here. So press the rewind button on your remote, and I'll do that now. And it says, and it'll say clear Alexa shopping cache, and we press OK to confirm, and it's cleared that cache. If you scroll down again, we get that again. Press the rewind. Delete cache will free up 1 meg of storage. Are you sure you want to continue? So of course, yes we do. It's going to free up all that memory that we were previously using, making our Firestick quicker, smarter and slicker. Press confirm and it's done. Moving on down, we get the same option. Go down again, get the same option. So you can see by clearing all this cache, we're freeing up a lot of memory on our Firestick, making it faster and smoother. Scroll down again and we keep on doing this. Now we get a new option here. So of course we've got the option to clear the cache, but if we press the play pause button, you get the option to uninstall it. So press that now and it asks you if you want to confirm it, and we're going to free up 41 meg of storage, and that app will be deleted from all non-child profiles. Are you sure you want to continue? Of course I don't want to do that, so cancel. That is an example of what you can do. Now scrolling down, if I go down to Dev Squid, I'm going to delete this one, so I'm going to press on the play button, press that, and I'm going to confirm. Deleting this app will free up 35.68 meg of storage, and it's going to be deleted from non-child profiles. Are you sure you want to continue? Confirm. Uninstalling application, and there we go, it's gone. We freed up that memory. So guys, you have to agree that this new update to the Firestick TV has made the process of clearing cache on individual apps or even uninstalling those apps a whole lot simpler and quicker. So a big thumbs up to Amazon on this update. Now if you did find this video helpful, please do give us a like and consider subscribing, as I do loads more videos like this on a weekly basis, and I might see you in the next one.